Namaste everyone, this is Kartikeya of ninth standard studying in St. Joseph English School, Kurnool. Today, I am going to discuss about two important theorems in the chapter circles. Now, before entering into it, we need to recall two important properties of triangles, which are nothing but the angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are always equal. Now let us consider a triangle ABC. AB and AC are equal in an isosceles triangle, we all know that. The angles opposite to AB and AC, which are nothing but angle C and angle B, are always equal. This is nothing but the statement 1. The statement 2 is the exterior angle property of a triangle. That means take a triangle ABC, extend any side, either AB or BC or CA. I will extend this line BC up to point P, and the angle formed by this extension will be angle ACP, and the sum of the angle A and B will be equal to angle ACP. This is nothing but the exterior angle property of a triangle. Now let us keep this statement aside. Now we will go to the theorems of the circles. The first theorem states that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is always equal to twice the angle subtended by it on the remaining arc of the circle. Now consider a circle, keep the center as O, take a point A and point B. From this point O, join OA and OB. Consider another point on the major arc, point P. From that point P, join PA and PB. Now we need to prove angle AOB is equals to 2 times of angle APB. Now how will we prove? We can prove it simply, but we should think very elegantly. Now from point P, join to point O. That means draw a line from point P to point O. Extend it to point Q. Now two triangles are formed. What are the two triangles? AOP and triangle BOP. Let us take this triangle AOP aside. Rotate it. Now AO and OP are the radius of this circle. As the radius of this circle are always equal, AOP is an isosceles triangle. Now as AO and OP are equal, the angles opposite to it are always equal. We have discussed it earlier in the starting. Now angle A is equals to angle P. Let us consider angle A is equals to angle P is equals to alpha. Now rotate it and keep it at the same place. Now we will do this triangle BOP. Take this triangle BOP here. As we have discussed earlier, BO and OP are the radius of the circle, and BO is equals to OP, and angle B is equals to angle P. As we have discussed, angle opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are always equal. Now angle B is equals to angle P is equals to beta. Now same, rotate it and keep it aside. Now this angle, thus angle Q, is the exterior angle of triangle BOP and triangle BOQ. Now in the triangle BOP, as exterior angle is nothing but the sum of the angle P and angle B here, exterior angle Q will be equal to 2 times of beta, that is nothing but 2 beta, and here this will be equal to 2 times of alpha. Now if we consider whole angle Q, you will get 2 times of alpha plus beta, and angle P will be equal to alpha plus beta, which is nothing but 2 times of alpha plus beta is equals to angle O, and alpha plus beta is equals to angle P. Hence it is proved that angle AOB is equals to 2 times of angle APB. Hence it is proved that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the remaining arc of the circle. Now this theorem is proved, but the second theorem can be proved using this theorem only. Now let us continue with the second theorem. The second theorem states that the angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. Now let us consider a circle. Take the center as O, draw a diameter, and the edges of the diameter name it as point A and point B. We can see that this circle is divided into two semicircles. Now take a point P on the semicircle, join AP and BP. Now the angle at P should be equal to 90 degrees, that we should prove. Now before theorem, which we have discussed earlier, is the angle at the center is always equal to twice the angle at the remaining arc of this circle. Now this angle will be equal to 180 degrees as AOB is a straight line. Now angle AOB is equals to 2 times of angle APB. Let us consider here angle AOB is equals to 2 times of angle APB. We know that angle AOB is 180 degrees as it is a straight line. 180 degrees is equals to 2 times of angle APB. Transpose this true here. Angle APB will be equal to 90 degrees. Hence it is proved that the angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. So the first theorem is proved by two important properties of triangles, and with the help of this theorem we have proved another theorem. So this is how we prove the theorems in circles with simple properties. Now hope you enjoyed this video. That's all for now. Yours Karthikeya.